Finding a reliable crafting setup without overspending can feel frustrating. Today, we are sharing the best sewing machines under $300. Choosing the right model ensures smooth stitches and easy operation on every project. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Brother XM2701 Lightweight Sewing Machine. The Brother XM2701 is a fantastic entry point for anyone starting their sewing journey, while still offering enough versatility to satisfy more experienced sewists. With 27 built-in stitches, including decorative options, blind hem, zigzag, and stretch stitches, this machine handles everything from basic mending to more creative projects. The automatic needle threader is a standout feature, saving time and eliminating the frustration of squinting to thread a needle. Paired with the drop-in top bobbin, which is both convenient and jam-resistant, the whole threading process feels streamlined. Brother also includes a generous accessory package: 6 sewing feet, a 3-piece needle set, a twin needle, 4 bobbins, and a manual, so you have nearly everything needed to start right out of the box. The free arm design adds real versatility, making it easier to sew cuffs, sleeves, and other tricky tubular areas. Whether you're a beginner or someone with more experience looking for a reliable backup machine, the free arm construction expands what kinds of projects you can tackle. Beyond the hardware itself, Brother's at-your-side support is a huge value add, offering free technical assistance via online chat, live chat, or phone for the entire lifetime of the machine. This kind of ongoing support provides peace of mind that's hard to find with other budget-friendly machines. Overall, the XM2701 combines simplicity, functionality, and long-term support in a lightweight, portable package, making it an excellent choice for casual sewists or those needing a dependable, affordable machine for everyday projects. Number 2. Brother CS7000X Sewing and Quilting Machine. The Brother CS7000X elevates the sewing and quilting experience with an impressive 70 built-in stitches, encompassing utility, decorative, heirloom, and dedicated quilting stitches, plus 7 one-step auto-size buttonholes for added convenience. This machine is clearly designed for sewists who want to grow into more advanced projects without feeling limited by their equipment. The improved automatic needle threader makes setup quick and easy, while the jam-resistant drop-in top bobbin ensures consistent, trouble-free stitching. What really sets the CS7000X apart is its accessory lineup: a wide table for larger projects, 10 sewing feet, a quilt guide, a protective hard case, and a trilingual English-Spanish-French manual, giving users the tools needed for a wide variety of applications right away. The metal frame construction adds durability and stability, ensuring the machine can handle frequent, heavy use over time. Additionally, the fixed needle bar keeps the needle steady during operation, resulting in cleaner, more even stitching lines, which is especially valuable for detail-oriented quilting work. The larger needle-to-arm workspace is another major advantage, giving users the extra room needed to comfortably maneuver bulkier projects like quilts and larger fabric pieces. Number 3. Singer 4423 Heavy Duty Sewing Machine. The Singer 4423 Heavy Duty is built for sewists who need serious power and durability without sacrificing style. Its sleek, modern design pairs with a heavy-duty metal interior frame, reducing vibration and ensuring stable, precise stitching, even during demanding projects. The stainless steel bedplate allows fabric to glide smoothly, which is especially helpful when working with slippery or heavier materials. With 97 stitch applications available, users can explore everything from basic seams to decorative designs and stretch stitches, while the one-step buttonhole function guarantees clean, professional results every time. One of the biggest highlights is the machine's high-speed motor, capable of 1,100 stitches per minute, offering 50% more power than standard machines. This makes it ideal for heavy fabrics like denim, canvas, and leather, powering through multiple layers with ease. The extra long stitch length setting is particularly useful for basting or working with thick materials, adding to the machine's overall versatility. A reverse sewing lever helps reinforce seams, reducing fraying and extending the life of finished projects. Everyday conveniences round out the package nicely. An automatic needle threader reduces eye strain, while the top drop-in bobbin system with a transparent cover lets you monitor thread levels at a glance. The manual tension control dial offers fine-tuned adjustments across a range of fabric weights. Number 4. Singer 4423 High-Speed Heavy-Duty Sewing Machine. This version of the Singer 4423 emphasizes speed and strength, making it a great option for sewists who need to power through projects efficiently. With 23 built-in stitches, producing 97 total stitch applications, users have plenty of flexibility for basic, decorative, and functional sewing tasks. The automatic needle threader is a helpful addition, using a clearly printed threading path on the machine to simplify the process and reduce frustration. Technical specs like 0.7 amps, 84 watts, and 120 volts at 60 Hz reflect a machine engineered for consistent, reliable performance. Speed is where this machine truly shines, reaching up to 1,100 stitches per minute thanks to its 60% stronger motor, allowing users to complete projects faster without sacrificing stitch quality. This added power is particularly beneficial when piercing through thick seams or multiple fabric layers. The heavy-duty metal interior frame and stainless steel bed plate contribute to the machine's overall stability and long-term durability, making it well-suited for frequent or heavy use. A comprehensive accessory package rounds out the offering, including an all-purpose foot, zipper foot, buttonhole foot, button sewing foot, seam ripper/lint brush, quilting guide, needles, bobbins, screwdriver, auxiliary spool pin, and spool pin felt, all conveniently stored in an accessory tray. Number 5. Brother HC1850 Sewing and Quilting Machine. The Brother HC1850 is a feature-rich sewing and quilting machine designed for those who want extensive stitch variety paired with modern conveniences. It boasts an impressive 185 built-in stitches, including 130 sewing stitches with 8 styles of auto-size buttonholes, along with 55 alphanumeric stitches for adding personalized text or labels to projects. This wide selection makes it easy to move between practical sewing tasks and more decorative or creative work. The advanced needle threader is especially convenient, threading the needle with just the press of a lever, while the drop-in top bobbin system remains jam-resistant for smoother, uninterrupted stitching. Included accessories add real value, with a wide table for larger projects, 8 specialized presser feet, and a detailed manual to help users get the most out of the machine's many features. One of the standout elements is the LCD screen, which allows users to easily select and preview stitches with the touch of a button, simplifying the overall sewing experience and reducing guesswork. As with other Brother models, the HC1850 comes backed by Brother's At Your Side support, providing free technical assistance through online chat, live chat, or phone for the lifetime of the machine. Before making your final decision, consider key factors like motor strength, frame durability, and total stitch options. Select the machine that best fits your skill level and primary crafting needs. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more honest product reviews and buying guides.